Complete English course. Want to learn faster? Check the description below for extra resources. Welcome to this writing lesson. Today, we review jobs and present simple questions through active writing.
Great. I want to practice writing simple questions.
First, listen and write helps you hear a short text and write the words you hear. Second, make a sentence helps you create simple sentences with job words and questions.
That sounds useful for my writing.
Good. Take your pencil and let's begin with listen and write. Listen and write. This activity is a dictation. I will read a text aloud, and you write what you hear.
Okay, I will listen carefully.
Listen to the whole text means you listen first and get the main idea. Write what you hear means you write the words during the dictation. Check and correct means you compare with the original text and fix mistakes. Do not worry about every word at first.
I will try my best.
Excellent. Let's start the dictation now. At school, we ask about jobs. Do you know a doctor? Does your teacher work in the morning? My sister is a nurse and my uncle is a chef. Where does the driver go every day? He drives to the city. What do firefighters do? They help people. Now I will read slowly, piece by piece. Nexo, are you ready?
Yes, I am ready.
Great. Listen and write the first part. At school. We ask about jobs. Do you know? A doctor? Does your teacher work? In the morning. My sister is a nurse. And my uncle is a chef. Where does the driver go? every day. He drives. To the city. What do firefighters do? They help people. Well done, everyone. The dictation is finished. Nexo, how did it go?
It was good, but some words were difficult.
Now compare your writing with the original text and correct any mistakes. Make a sentence. Now, we will build 6 sentences, one for each main word. You can use 20 helper words if you want, and try to use present simple questions.
I can use the job words to make questions.
First, see an example means we will listen to Nexo do the exercise so you have a model. Second, make your sentences means you create your own sentences with the main words and helper words. Remember, after do or does, use the base verb. Nexo, are you ready?
Yes, I am ready to write. Doctor. Does the doctor work at night? Teacher. What does the teacher teach? Nurse. Does the nurse help people? Chef. Where does the chef cook? Driver. Does the driver go to the city? Pilot. Does the pilot fly every day?
Great work, Nexo. Your sentences are clear. Now it is your turn. Pause the video and complete the 6 sentences. Take your time and write carefully. Good job. Good job. You finished the writing practice. Today, you reviewed jobs and present simple questions by writing.
Thank you, Emma.
See you next time.